Every day, there are so many methods that come out on how to make money online, like listening to music, creating websites, doing affiliate marketing, watching videos, and so on and so forth. There are literally thousands of ways, and today we're going to be talking about how we can make money by transcribing. We're going to show you a couple of websites that's going to do the trick. Everything that we're showing you in today's video are all worldwide available, free and easy to navigate, so don't worry about anything because there's really nothing to worry about. You won't need any skills or experience to participate. That's why this is also perfect for beginners. As always, we're going to be walking you through this whole method and whole process step by step, and we're also going to be dropping some amazing bonus tips and tricks to use this method to its fullest and to make the most amount of money possible. So if you don't want to miss any of that, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First thing that you're going to have to do is actually create a PayPal account. And to those who don't have a PayPal account, then make sure that you create one first, because that's the only payment method that our websites for today will cater to. So in order to create a PayPal account, just type in paypal.com, and this is that website. As you can see, outwin the norm with PayPal. Go all out and shop out of the ordinary for millions of merchants around the world. With PayPal, you can shop for unique gifts seamlessly and safer at home, at work, or even on the go. To sign up, just click on sign up, and that should take you to here. You're obviously going to choose to create a personal account, of course, and just proceed with the process like any other registration process. And once you have an account, then you can finally proceed with our websites for today. So let's just get straight ahead with it. First website is gotranscribe.com, and this is their website. 100% human-generated transcription services. Scroll down to the most bottom part of the page and look for work under transcriptionists, and as you can see, transcription jobs available worldwide. Join GoTranscript and be part of a global team of professional transcriptionists. We pay competitive rates for our online transcription jobs, up to 60 cents per audio or video minute, $150 average earnings per month, $1,215 top monthly earnings. GoTranscript is a thriving web-based transcription and translation company. We're always looking to fill up our open freelance transcription jobs so we can grow our team and keep pace with customer orders. If you're a skilled transcriptionist who takes pride in your work and you want to make a difference in the world, then we want you. You can do transcription jobs from home. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You get paid reliably. Receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. You can work flexible hours. You can work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want. You receive great support. Our fantastic support team resolves issues promptly. You can choose your own projects, freely choose which jobs to work on. You can grow your skills, receive regular feedback, and learn from the rest of the team. You can enjoy work variety, transcribe a police investigation one day, and book research the next. You stay busy. We have a steady stream of projects waiting for you. And there are transcription jobs online. We get new transcribing jobs every day. You'll always have something to work on and to look forward to. That's it for GoTranscribe. Just click on apply now, and then you're all good to go to start earning money. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. The next website is called Screwy.com, and this is their website. Scroll down to the most bottom part of the page, select on freelancers, and this is what you're going to see. Freelance transcription. Work at your convenience and earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. We provide automated transcripts to save you around 60% of the typing effort. The process on what is transcription? You're going to listen. The required skills are listening ability and good comprehension of English. Number 2, correct. Apply context, identify mistakes, and correct the automated transcript. And number 3, get paid. Earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. Paid into your verified PayPal account. Earnings. How much can you earn in a month? As a beginner, $400 a month for 8 hours every day. All you will need is some good English comprehension, the ability to interpret conversations, the ability to apply context and identify mistakes, a verified PayPal account, like we said, a laptop or a desktop computer and internet connection, and a headset or a headphone. For intermediate, it's $800 a month for 8 hours as well. And for advanced, it's $1,600 for 8 hours as well every month. We've been in business since 2008. There have been $3 million, over $3 million in payouts, over 40,800 certified transcribers globally, and over 6 million minutes transcribed. Some benefits, it's work from home. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You can earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. Earning depends on your skill, level, and time spent. Automated transcripts. Let our AI help you get most of the work done automatically. Work at your convenience. There are no obligations, no monthly commitment or withdrawal limits. These are short files. We don't assign, preview, and choose files to work on. And there's a monthly bonus of $5. Get a monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed each month. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. To sign up and apply, just click on sign up and start earning, and just like that, you can finally start working and start making some money. The great thing about Scribby is that not a lot of people know about this website yet, which means much competition, which means that you have more opportunities on this website. But of course, the best results will come out if you use both websites that we just showed you today. That's how you're gonna make the most amount of money. So that's it for Scribby, and that's it for today's video. Make sure you try today's method out and let us know in the comments down below how you like it. But before we officially close today's video, I want to remind you guys that our first website is called gotranscript.com and our second website is called scribby.com. So if you want to make the most amount of money, then I suggest you try out both, and that is basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.